Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode, this cool image right here, and basically what these are is some liquid hand soap. If you can see, the one that we got right here is from this brand right here, Mrs. Meyer's. And for the one that we got right here is the basil scent. They do have a bunch of other scent available as well, so you definitely want to do your own research to see which one you guys prefer. But they basically mentioned right here how the hand soap refill. So if you guys already have the original bottle, you can definitely actually refill it in there. But if you guys have like other bottles as well that supports like liquid hand soap, they definitely use as well. And the bottom right here, you can see they mentioned how it actually contains olive oil and also has aloe vera as well. So not only does it help you guys clean your hand, but also give you guys that very nice scent as well when you guys use it. And definitely love the way how they designed this bottle as well. They give you guys a little nice handle option here. So that way you guys open up the lid like this, you can just pour it out really easily. But right now, because it's a brand new refill bottle, we haven't used it yet. So you need to open up the lid, and you guys want to open up the seal option inside before you guys can pour it out. But definitely really nice design to give you guys that easy pour option when you guys refill your bottles. So this is basically what the product looks like when you guys first get it. Let me actually go refill the bottle and show you guys how it works, and also describe how it smells and everything, and then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so we got my soap right here. Let me actually show you guys how to refill it. So I basically want to open up this part right here first and peel off the seal option right here. Once we take that out, you guys can actually pour it inside to your soap dispenser. Let's close it back up. Alright, so we just finished filling the actual soap inside right here. Let's test it out. So I'm gonna turn it on first. Alright, so it's on. Let's start using it. Alright, so you definitely see it actually does work. And when you guys feel the soap on here, this is basically actually looks right here. So it definitely feels really nice, but also actually smells really good as well. It definitely has like that basil scent on here. And if you guys notice on the actual part right here, they actually have like a timer on here. They have a 15-second timer to let you guys know how long to wash your hands, which is pretty nice. But that's just basically what the product looks like when you guys use it. You can definitely see it actually does work. And welcome back, guys. So now just a quick test of the product, definitely see it actually does work. Actually works quite well. Super easy to use the product. Literally all you need to do is open up the seal option and open up the lid and just refill it into your soap dispenser. Whether it be like the automatic ones or your manual one, that is up to you guys. As long as it supports like the regular hand soap that's liquid material and not like the foam option, then this would definitely work. But definitely when you guys feel the texture of the soap, it definitely feels pretty nice. And definitely love that basil smell on here as well. It actually smells pretty nice. And I really like how they use like plant-based ingredients as well, which is really eco-friendly. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now the unboxing and testing the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially like I mentioned, if you guys are trying to look for some high quality, eco-friendly liquid hand soap that you can basically use at home, in the office, or even at your restaurant. You could basically use this anywhere you guys want to, as long as you guys need like the hand soap option, then this is definitely super worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have to one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.